Hi everyone, how are you doing? So from my recent trip to United States, I stumbled upon this gadget called Amazon Echo Dot, and today would like to do the unboxing of this gadget and we'll try to set it up. So with a very short explanation, what can this gadget do? Yes, it's a very powerful tool that you can use inside your house. It can do certain things on a voice command, and you can also ask questions and it will answer you right away, real time, and it's very accurate. And well, the commands that you can make use of this is to be able to turn on and turn off certain gadgets and appliances like inside your house, like turn off and turn on the lights, television sets, electric fans, and a lot more. So I believe this is the gadget of the future. So let's go and unbox the Echo Dot 3rd generation. So to unbox, you have to, there's a strip here that you need to remove, and then when you open it, it's actually a charcoal color, and you have the manuals, the charging thing that you will use to plug and power the Echo Dot. So this is the thing that you use to charge or to power up the Echo Dot. So in here you have 4 buttons. So these are the buttons: getting to know your Echo Dot, microphone off, okay, and this is the one, and volume up, volume down, and action control right here. Lights, you have lights over here, and to power this thing is right in here. And this one right here is for the jack of the external speakers, if you would like to plug it in into a bigger speaker for a better quality of sound. And you can also connect this to a Bluetooth speaker. So let's go and set it up. So we're gonna put in the plug. So what we need here is mobile phone, internet connection, and we need to download the app. But apparently in the Philippines, downloading the application for the Alexa is not available. So create a new...
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, so that's what you need to do. You need to download an Alexa app, but apparently in the Philippines, it's not available. So what you need to do is to create a new Apple ID so that you can choose United States in your settings so that you can download the Alexa app in your mobile phone. Now, I did that already. So if I'm gonna be opening my Alexa app right here, it says here, welcome to Alexa. Okay, and it says continue. Setting up an Amazon Echo. So we have to choose what type of gadget we have here. It says here Echo Dot. So we'll click Echo Dot. Which Echo Dot are you setting up? 3rd generation, 1st generation, or 2nd generation? So we'll choose the 3rd generation because that's what. Sorry about that. That's my pet dog Hero. Okay. Select Wi-Fi network. So we're connecting to the internet. So it may take a few minutes. Okay, your Echo Dot is now connected to Wi-Fi. Tap continue to begin.
Your device is ready.
We want to connect an external speaker. For now, we'll go on for the built-in speaker. Help Alexa to get to know you. Personalize your experience and connect with her. Confirm your first name and last name. Okay, by tapping continue, you agree to all the terms found here. Continue. Give Amazon permission. Contact. Allow Alexa contacts to be with your friends, family, and applications. Okay. Wow. Okay, we'll skip this. See, if I push this button, okay, even if I say Alexa, okay, he will not react into it because every time I say Alexa, he would react.
Welcome to your new Echo Dot. Now you can add Alexa to any room. Use your voice to check the news and weather, control compatible smart home products, and call almost anyone, all hands-free. Use the crisp and clear built-in speaker or connect Echo Dot to your own speakers through Bluetooth or with an audio cable. Start by saying the wake word, Alexa. You'll know she's ready when the light ring turns blue. Ask her to play a song, artist, or genre. Alexa, play songs by August Green.
Shuffling songs by August Green.
Follow me. With multi-room music, you can play songs on your compatible Echo devices in different rooms at the same time. Even ask Alexa.
Okay, so let's try it. Alexa, what's the day today?
It's Sunday, October 28th.
Alexa, how's the weather in Manila, Philippines?
Currently, in Manila, Philippines, it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect clouds with a low of 75 degrees.
Alexa, 100 multiplied by 1024.
100 multiplied by 1024 equals 102,400.
Alexa, who's the President of the United States?
The United States President is Donald Trump.
Alexa, who's the President of the Philippines?
Philippines President is Rodrigo Duterte.
Okay, so there you have it. We have successfully set up our Alexa Echo Dot, and these are just the few things that she can do right now. Answer questions, and basically in the future you don't have to type anymore in your keyboards. All you need to do is just to give in questions, and she will answer automatically, or give commands. So you can just give her commands and she'll do everything for you. So that's the gadget of the future. So for now, I'm gonna be trying to explore more about this, and if you have some ideas and if you know more about this new gadget that I have, please do make a comment. And if you like this video, please share it, put a thumbs up, make a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right in here. Okay, bye! Okay, so right now I just received a call from Beth, my wife, that I am officially a grandfather. That means Leslie has given birth to their first child, and her name is Samantha Isabella. So we'll go to the hospital right now and visit them and see Samantha for the very first time.